Hello and welcome back to another Dividend token tutorial. In this video, we're going to teach you how to create your own DVD wallet. Now this can be done in a few simple steps. So if you follow along, you'll be able to do this in less than 5 minutes. Let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go on to www.dividend-token.com. Make sure you add that dash between dividend and token.com and you should pull up our website. Once you're on the website, you'll see on the top left, wallet. You'll click wallet in order to pull up the tutorial and all the information needed in order to set up your own wallet for DVD token. So go ahead and pull this up. And then the first step will be for you to download the Metamask extension on Google Chrome and create a wallet. So how I'm going to do this is I'll actually just have Chrome pulled up right next to my Safari because that's what I normally use. And I'll just scroll down here and I'll copy this URL. When you copy it, you'll paste it. Metamask is a wallet that I recommend for cryptocurrency. It is available as an extension, but it can also be downloaded on your smartphone as an app. It's a known wallet out there between cryptocurrency owners. You can own Bitcoin, Litecoin, BNB, USDT, DVD, right? Any token you choose. So you're going to go ahead and click install MetaMask for Chrome. And I believe it'll say that I already have it downloaded because I already do. So you can just click on the download button and create your wallet. This can be done very easily. It doesn't take long. And once you have your wallet created, this should be what shows up. An extension on the top right. Now for some reason, if you don't see this extension on the top right, all you have to do is go to the three dots in Google Chrome, go to more tools and your extensions, and you should find it there. The next step will be for you to just fill in your information, have the wallet ready, and this should be the final outcome. Is now you have a wallet, it has Ethereum on it, it's got your wallet ID, and this is just the basics. So now you're on the next step, adding the Binance network to Metamask. The reason you're adding a Binance network to Metamask is because DVD token runs on the BEP Binance Smart Chain network. This makes it faster and much cheaper to send than an Ethereum network token. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to change the network. So we do this by clicking on the circle for your profile and going to settings. As you can see in number 2, we'll go to settings and then network. So we'll scroll down. And here we see network. We'll click on that. And next you're going to click add network. Now once you've reached this part where you have to add the network, all you have to do is copy and paste this information. And this will allow you to add any BEP20, any Binance Smart Chain token. So we're going to go ahead and paste the name. We'll go to the URL, the RPC URL here. We'll copy that and paste that as well. Whoops. Here we go. And it says it's already being used because I already added this network, but we'll just continue with it. We'll click 56 and we'll add the symbol as BNB. And as you can see, we're just following along here, ChainID, BNB, and then finally the URL is optional, but we'll go ahead and add it. And once you're done, you'll click save. And since I already have the network, I can't, but this is what should show up, the Binance mainnet. So now moving on to the third step, switch your networks to the newly created Binance mainnet. So we're going to just click on Binance mainnet. And now we switched to the BEP20 Binance Smart Chain network. Now the last thing you have to do is add the token. So as you can see, I already have it here, but I'll show you guys how to do it. You'll click import. You'll go to this information and you'll add the contract ID. Like any other cryptocurrency, you must have a contract ID. And once you paste that, this should automatically fill in your DVD portion, but since I already have it, it's not filling it in, and you'll put this information if it's not filled in automatically. Now, most of the time it'll fill in automatically unless you already have the token. Once that's done, you'll click add custom token, and you now have the ability to receive and send DVD tokens. So what is your wallet ID? This is it right here. This will be your wallet ID. Whether it's BNB, DVD, you're sending USDT, whatever token, it'll be the same wallet ID. You can copy it and you can send it to people. You can sign up for airdrops. Matter of fact, leave your ID once you're done at the bottom of this screen in the comments below, and we'll send you a surprise gift of DVD. This will only be available for the first 10 people, so get them while they last. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. Other than that, congratulations, you are now a DVD token wallet holder.